All right, so this week we are talking about buying your first car. You're going to learn how to calculate the total cost of repaying a loan using an online calculator. The links to these videos will be provided in Google Classroom. So on the next slide, you will shop for a car. So whether you know what kind of vehicle you want or you don't, we're going to go to CarMax.com and we're going to pick a vehicle. You can shop by type, brand, or price. Once you pick your vehicle, then you will be able to fill out the information on the next slide. So we're following that link that says CarMax.com, and it brings us to a page that looks like this. At the top you see it says search by make, model, or keyword. And let's just say I was trying to find something there. Like for instance, here is Toyota. Right here, after I've typed that, it comes up with a list of different Toyota vehicles. Toyota Highlander, Toyota Tundra, Toyota 4Runner. You can see all these different vehicles. You can also see different kind of years, 2013, 2014. You can see different kinds of prices, 18,998, 17,998. You can see number of mileages, 72K, 36K. You can see how much a month, 347 a month, 577 a month. So there are a lot of different options and a lot of different ways you can find your vehicle. Once you have picked your vehicle, you're going to go to this slide and you're going to enter in some information. Here are some different things you're going to look at and some yellow bars that tell you what it means. So for instance, year. What year is the vehicle? It tells us right there in red that the vehicle that I picked is 2017. That is the year. That's what I will type right there under number 1. Number 2, what make is the vehicle? So who made this vehicle? Right there in green, it says Toyota. Toyota made this vehicle. What is the model? The model is a kind of car. Well, Toyota made it. Well, what did they make? They made a Highlander LE. This is a Highlander, or in this case, it's a Highlander LE. So the make and model is a Toyota Highlander LE, and that is what's written there at the top. Price, right here in yellow, that is very important. You're going to have to know that number, $23,998. So when you're going through this, make sure you're writing down these information, and it's going to help you answer the rest of your questions and the rest of the slides. If you want to put a picture of your model of vehicle, you can go ahead and take a picture and put it right there. So on the next slide, we're going to calculate your car monthly payment. You can see the Bitmoji as the money is flying away. So we're going to calculate your monthly payment. This seems like a lot, but we're going to kind of break it down. The top part is our online car payment calculator. We're going to use that to answer our questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's look at this scenario. Since you are a recent graduate, you pretty much don't have good credit score. Your credit score is 630. You will only qualify for an interest rate of 11.31%. So make sure you write down that number so you have it ready. For a 60-month loan, make sure you have that number written down so you have it ready. Right there, it's in purple. 11.31% rate, 60-month loan. You will borrow a loan for the full price of the vehicle. If the vehicle has any mileage on it, it is used. So once again, we're going to use that information, 11.31%, 60-month loan, when using our online loan payment calculator. Questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Number 1, how much was the loan? How much was the principal? How much did the vehicle cost? Well, we remember that for my vehicle, I picked that Toyota Highlander LE. I would type right there, 23,998, $23,998. Number 2, how much is the total interest paid? We're going to use that calculator at the top to help us get that. Then once we get that, the answer to number 3, how much will you have paid in total by the end of the loan? Once we're all said and done. Well, we're going to use our Desmos calculator for that one. We're going to add up the 23,998 plus whatever we get for number 2 to get number 3. And then finally, what is your monthly vehicle payment? That calculator at the top will give us that answer. So the online calculator will give us the answers to number 2 and number 4. Number 1 you should already know because it's your vehicle. Number 1, whatever your amount is. Mine is $23,998. But let's go to that link at there, that link there at the top. Okay. So right here, how much are you looking to borrow? I know my vehicle, like I said, to write it down. My vehicle costs $23,998. 60 months will be the same for everybody. Used, same right here for everybody. Right here, we are going to type in our interest rate percent. That's the one I told you to write down as well. Everybody's going to type 11.31. 11.31%. Then you click done. Once you click that, all these numbers come up here at the bottom. Your total principal paid and your total interest paid. These two right here are the answers to numbers 1 and 2. Number 1, my vehicle, the total principal paid was $23,998. Number 2, total interest paid is $7,532. So make sure you write down that number because you're going to have to enter it back on that previous slide. And there at the top, this is the answer to number 4, your estimated monthly payment. So my vehicle, to be able to pay off my vehicle, each month I need to pay $525. That's the answer to number 4. So now I've written all that down so I can go back, make sure to write it down because if not, you're going to have to keep going back and forth. So on number 1, how much was the loan? How much was my principal? How much was the vehicle? Number 1, $23,998. Number 2, how much is the total interest paid? I wrote it down just to make sure I wouldn't forget. But if you forget, once again, go back to that page and it'll once again enter your information and it'll take you right back there. $7,532. So I know my principal is $23,998. My interest paid $7,532. To get number 3, you must add up those two numbers using that Desmos calculator. So right there, $23,998 plus $7,532 equals $31,530. So that is the number I'm going to put for number 3, $31,530. So after I borrow my vehicle and I pay my monthly payment, after my 60 months, I will pay finally $31,530. That's a big jump, almost. That's over $7,500 more just to pay off for that vehicle. Number 4, what is your monthly vehicle payment? That's the one we saw at the beginning on that page before, $525. So you're finished. That's how we do our assignment. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.